Hi everybody. Today we're going to be looking at this question that was asked to say what is a combination, and when you're doing counting in mathematics. So we're going to answer this on the Maths Genius question and answer portal, which can be found on www.mathsgenius.co.za. On this portal you can search and find the tutor here, or you can ask a question, or you can check out the other questions and answers that people have asked, and you can comment and vote and answer. You could just be part of the community and participate. Or if you don't know the answer, you could just share it with your friends on Facebook and Twitter and LinkedIn or via email. And also, if you're really desperate for an answer and you believe that if you put a bit of money on it, then people will answer, then yeah, you can as well pledge here, but it's very optional. Otherwise, everything on this site is very free. And we also have a Google Play Store app, an Android app. So if you've got an Android phone, you can go and download it, and you have it with you every time. So anyway, going into the question now, what is a combination when it comes to mathematics? And that's the C that's used like in the binomial formula, for example. So the response I was given here was that, what is a combination? A combination is a selection of all or part of a set of objects without regard to the order in which the objects are selected. So that's the key thing, to say there's selection and then the order. There's no regard for order. So remember, the other type of selection that is there is called permutations, and permutations have a strong regard for order. So it's always good to be able to differentiate between the two. So let's look at this example now to say, suppose we have a set of 3 letters, A, B, and C. We might ask how many ways we can select 2 letters from that set. So if we've got 3 letters and then we want to choose 2, in how many ways can we be able to do that? So each possible selection would be an example of a combination, So the complete list of possible selections would be A and B, right? You don't see a BA somewhere there, because the moment you take A and B, that means that B and A are already accounted for, because we don't care which one comes first as long as it's selected. Then AC and BC. So we only have 3 combinations here if you look at it. So when statisticians refer to combinations, they use a specific terminology. They describe combinations as n distinct objects, right? So the n objects here would be 3. So our n is 3, taken r at a time. So we're taking 2 at a time. So your r will be 2. So this is your 3, and n is 3, and r is 2. So translation. N refers to the number of objects from which the combination is formed, and r refers to the number of objects used to form a combination. So I think that is very clear. So consider the example from the previous paragraph up there. The combinations were formed from 3 letters. So n is 3. And each combination consisted of 2 letters, r is equal to 2. So note that AB and BA are considered to be one combination, because the order in which objects are selected does not really matter. So that's important to us, to say order does not matter. So this is the key distinction between combination and permutation. A combination focuses on the selection of objects without regard to order in which they are selected. But now, like I said before, a permutation focuses on the arrangement of objects with regard to the order in which they are arranged. So you could think about it in terms of, like there are different types of people. Some people would just want to eat the food. Those are combinations. And then some people are pedantic about how the food is made. So you could think of that as the permutation. So I know it's a silly example, but I hope it helps, and I hope you fully understand what a combination is. Thank you.